Hello, I've got one of these trimmer heads on my whippersnipper or weed whacker, and on these trimmer heads you bolt on three of these sort of white blades, and when it spins around, those white blades cut the grass back. But I feel that these replacement blades are expensive, so I've come up with a free homemade alternative using an old corflute sign. So to make the blades then, just get an old piece of corflute like this, and you can just cut out the blades with a sharp knife from this old piece of corflute. Okay, and then that's about 2.5 centimeters wide, or 1 inch, and then each blade I cut those at 15 centimeters, which is about 6 inches. So I'll just chop through one like so. Okay, and that piece is enough to make 6 blades, and then all I need to do is just drill a little hole in the end. Okay, that drills in the right width for the bolt that's going to hold it, and then I'll just line it up and drilled a nice hole. And that blade is ready to be used. Okay, so it's time to fit these 3 blades to this plate here at the end of the whippersnipper. Undo these little bolts one by one. Slip that through the hole in the blade, and tighten up the little bolt. Make sure you do that fairly tight, so the bolt doesn't come loose when you're using it, and repeat for the other two bolts. Okay, so the 3rd blade's attached and they're ready for use. And I found these blades to be almost as good, last almost as long as the blades that you can buy in the shops. Okay, here's my whippersnipper with the new blades in use.